Hi, Eric Lanask here with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo in New York. I'm talking with Ed McNamara from SHI today. Ed, welcome. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
So a lot of great stuff going on in the cloud, a lot of new and exciting innovation going on, but probably the story that I'm hearing most from everybody is that they're just continuing to see increased interest, increased adoption in cloud services. What are you seeing?
Yeah, we see the same as well. 2 years ago, cloud was really a marketing topic, and now it's really a technology topic, right? So there's increased adoption. It's exactly what we've seen from our customers. The big offering that we have at SHI is backup as a service. That's what we've partnered with EMC to offer a solution that allows customers to have both a Capex and an OpEx backup solution that can benefit them from a business standpoint and also from a technology standpoint. So that's our feature today here at Cloud Expo.
Explain the difference between a Capex versus an OpEx solution.
Nothing to do with technology, more to do with business in terms of budgets and planning, and what we want to do is be able to have people tap into whatever's going to work for them. So we don't want to present one solution from a technology perspective that's going to require a capital investment versus operational. So we want to make sure that whatever solution that we offer fits their technology, answers their needs, and is on budget and on time.
Are you seeing greater interest in one over the other?
No, it's just simply I think not so much the interest, it's the knowledge that the option is there is what's attractive.
But you are seeing an increased interest and growth in the need for a backup as a service.
Yeah, it's something that's universal to all customers. I mean, it's something that everybody has to deal with, and the fact that when you talk about things that are universal, there's operating systems, there's security, there's backup, and this is one of those things that any IT customer or any business or organization needs to be cognizant of, and it's open to conversations with everyone. So because SHI's product offering is so vast, from our partners Microsoft, HP, VMware, Dell, et cetera, this is something that as we're having those conversations, as those end, it can be like, well, what are you doing for backup these days? And people will say, well, I haven't really thought about it too much. Like, what do you guys have? What do you recommend? And then it starts some pretty good conversations, around some data center conversations. So if you're having desktop conversations, this is a really nice way to start having some data center conversations with long-time customers. So if you look at SHI's customer base, a lot of it is in the Fortune 500, and then we've been since expanding in the last 5 years or so into the SMB. But no matter what the customer size is, backup and our backup as a service is something that can scale out and allow for those conversations to happen with anyone.
Are there differences in terms of needs and requirements between the SMB and the larger enterprise?
Yeah, if you're talking about a larger Fortune 500 company, you might be looking at backup for disaster recovery. Like, that might be an option. Like the SHI Cloud Data Center, they might be interested in tapping into that, whereas smaller customers might be more interested in the entire backup and DR solution. So obviously, the bigger the IT staff or the bigger the IT organization supporting that business is going to determine how fully grown their own backup solution is, and we can either act as a complement to that or come in and help them deploy a new solution or replace the one that they have.
How easy? Often you see vendors trying to dumb down, if you will, an enterprise product for the SMB market. How easy is it for you to adapt your enterprise product for the SMB?
Well, I'll tell you how easy it is. In terms of dumbing it down, I'm the marketing guy, and I understand it. So the technical folks will have absolutely no problem whatsoever.
Is the same product applicable for both markets?
Yes, definitely. But again, it just depends on how they choose to deploy it. The larger ones going with DR, and SMB customers like the full solution.
Are there privacy concerns? Obviously, there's a lot of attention around what the NSA is doing with Google, Facebook, and other entities. Are those questions that your customers should be concerned with?
Yeah, they definitely should be concerned. And our policy is that we have no access to data that's inside the the SHI Cloud Data Center. And we go through a whole very technical, very technical, security position in terms of what our policy is. But at no time can we actually see the data that people are keeping in the data center, and obviously it doesn't go any further than the machines that customer has the rights to.
Excellent. Ed, thanks so much for joining us this morning. Eric Lanask here at Cloud Expo. Check out all of TMC's Cloud Expo coverage in the TMC Video Newsroom.